Hello and welcome to the NLC Prep channel. I'm your host, Dr. Tony Nettleman, and today we're going to be looking at some fantastic practical surveying tips, tricks, and knowledge. I hope you really enjoy it. If you do, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and hitting that bell icon so you can see more great upcoming content which is just around the corner. Let's get started.
We're going to calibrate our trusty total station. In order to do that, you simply have to read the directions. And we're going to do that by going to number 1, starting it, leveling it up, and making sure we're level and over the point. In this case, we're already set up. Next, let's go ahead and begin our calibration. We're going to have 2 programs, our horizontal calibration and our vertical calibration. In either case, we're going to click on Tools and then Adjust. And in the Adjust menu, there are many options. We want to begin with horizontal calibration. And it's going to say, aim the target accurately at a position approximately 90 degrees, which is plumb, at least 100 meters, which is in this case 300 plus feet. After we've aimed, we'll hit Continue and then click Store. And it's going to take a measurement. Next, it's going to prompt us to change face. So we'll change from face 1 to face 2 and then turn the instrument. We'll line up directly in the center of that prism and hit Store. We'll check this to make sure we're only a few degrees off, which in this case we are. Looks good. And then we'll hit Set. And now we have a new horizontal collimation. That's our first test. Now let's do the vertical. I'll click Side, and it's going to say Vertical Index. Same procedure. Aim your instrument approximately plumb at least 100 meters. Continue, and then Store. It'll take some measurements. And now it's going to prompt us again to change the face. And again, I'll hit Store. It'll take some measurements. Set. And look at that, we were only off 3 seconds. Perfect. And that's it. Horizontal collimation, vertical index, and we're finished.